to take a sip of that whiskey? Go for it.
What first attracted me to birds was the people. It's a story about people. Birds, the bird apocalypse, if you will, is merely the setting for a story about interpersonal relationships. You want the honest answer? I would say sharing control with designers.
If you've never heard the sounds that an American crow can make, you are missing out on life. We can have this conversation later.
I would say doing them both at the same time. I think a project will only suffer by a lack of ideas. You surround yourself with good, smart, talented people, which I tell you, I got pretty lucky with this one, who can give you good, deliberate ideas. You can only find what works, the beauty and the truth, by removing what doesn't work, the bad stuff, the moles, the hairy moles.
Lovely. Lovely. No, that's good.
Shut up. Oh, God. I'm not comfortable.
No.
You know, this is not going to be a good soundbite for publicity. To take off the director's hat so I can play with them and give the other actors something with which they can play with. He's willing to go over the top and do whatever you want, but sometimes you can always rein him in. Oh, he doesn't know shit. What is Zach Stofer afraid of? Nothing. Except interviews.
Finally, an honest answer. That's good. That's good.